Olive barb fish curry. Simple but delicious fish curry. Easy to make. Let's get started. Olive barb fish, 4 pieces. Clean and washed. Cut both sides. Look how I cut the fish. Marinate the fish. Salt. Turmeric powder. Chili powder. Cumin powder. Mix well. Rest for 10 minutes. Oil. Fry fish. Fry 6 to 8 minutes, both sides. One side done, then flip. Done. Take out the fish. Onion 1 cup. Green chili 2 to 3. Stir and fry few seconds. Salt to taste. Garlic paste 1 teaspoon. Ginger paste 1 teaspoon. Stir and mix. Turmeric powder, a ½ teaspoon. Chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder, a ½ teaspoon. Water. Saté 2 to 3 minutes. Add fried fish. Stir and flip. Add warm water. Cover and cook 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add sliced tomato. Add some green chili. Cover and cook another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add coriander leaves. Done. Hope you enjoy. Ready to serve. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.